Hi all. This session I am going to discuss about Q. Q is a linear structure, linear data structure. Last session we studied about stack. Stack is a LIFO data structure where insertion and deletion taking place through one end. Inserting an element into the stack is known as push. Removing an element from the stack is known as pop. Today we can see about Q. It's a linear structure and which follows FIFO data structure. FIFO means first in, first out. Element which is inserted first will be removed first from the queue. It has two ends are there. One end is known as the rear end and the other end is known as front end. Through the rear end you are inserting the element and from the front end you are removing the element from the queue.
For example, see, this is one picture. This person came here first and second is numbered here 1, 2, 3. This person will get the service first. Then only the second person will get the service. If the fourth person came, he will stand on the back side and in fourth position only he will get the service. Another example I show you. So this is a queue, a single lane, one way road. This is the first car is waiting here. This car, only after leaving this car, the next one can leave this lane. So this is normal. This is just like a normal queue. You are standing in front of a theater to collect the film ticket. Who will get the ticket first? The first person will get the ticket first. Second person will get the ticket second. The person who are coming last will stand at the end of the queue. The same way, queue is working in the same order. Element which are inserted first will get the service or will be removed first. That is your normal queue. That is why queue is known as a FIFO data structure. Now, I'll show you how the queue is working in programming terms. This is stack. This is already we studied and only one end is there. Through that end we are inserting and we are removing. That is why stack is known as a LIFO data structure. Now, the basic operations of queue are insertion and deletion. What are the basic operation of a stack? They are known as push and pop. That is, they are the common terms you are using along with the stack. Push means inserting an element. Pop means removing an element from the stack. Same way here in the queue also there are two types of operations are there. Inserting an element or adding an element into the queue is known as insertion. Removing an element from the queue is known as deletion. This is a normal tense, insertion and deletion. Now, how the queue is implemented in programming terms. See, I just represent a queue in this way. There are two pointers are represented over here. One is the rear pointer and one is front pointer. Rear and front pointer. Now this queue is empty. No element is there on the queue. So rear and front pointer is waiting here. Now I am going to insert 10 into the queue. So insertion of 10. When I insert 10 into the queue, front pointer coming over here and the rear pointer is also coming over here. Both the pointer is pointing to the first position in the queue. Now I am going to insert one more element 20. When 20 is inserted over here, only the rear pointer is moving. Front pointer is waiting here itself. That means when you insert a new element into the queue, the rear pointer moving this direction, moving to the right direction and front pointer pointing to the first position itself. See that there is one more element I am going to insert, 30 I am going to insert. When I insert 30 into the queue, the rear pointer will coming and standing here and the front pointer will be there in the first location itself. One more element I am going to insert, that is 40. When I insert 40, the rear pointer will come and stand here in the 40th position, in the third position. and the front pointer will be in the first position itself. There is no change for that one. Now, I am going to remove element from this queue. So, this is the insertion. So, when you insert, only the rear pointer moving and the front pointer waiting in the first location itself. Now, when I delete the first element, this is a first in first out, so the first element will be deleted first. I am going to delete the first element. Now, rear pointer is here. When I delete 10, this 10 I am going to delete. After the deletion, see that after the deletion, my queue is like this. So, that means 20 is shifted to here, 30 is coming over here and 40 is coming over here. And the front pointer now pointing to the 0th location. See, once again check it. Now I am going to delete 10. When you delete the 10, 20 is moving to the left side, 30 is to the left side and 40 is to the left side. Now the front pointer again pointing to the 0th location itself. At the same time, rear pointer is moving backward. Now again I am going to delete 20. When I delete 20, see that 30 is moving left side. And the front pointer is pointing to the first position, that is in the 0th position itself. Rear pointer coming over here. This is the common format for queue deletion. Now, once again recollect what is queue. Queue is a FIFO data structure. FIFO means first in, first out. That means element which are inserted first will be removed first. Element which are inserted first will be removed first. So this is the general concept of queue. Next session we can study how to implement queue in Python.